If your GMC Acadia backup camera is showing a black screen or glitching, you can often fix it without a trip to the dealer. Statistically, the vast majority of these issues are resolved by simple resets or cleaning, saving you hundreds in diagnostic fees. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to pinpoint exactly where your signal is being lost. Always start by cleaning the lens and checking the rear fuse box, then try a hard reset by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Corrosion in the tailgate harness is a common failure point, but faulty modules or outdated software also frequently cause these black screens. If basic steps fail, inspect the wiring for chafing near the hinge and consider an IntelliLink firmware update to resolve potential communication errors. You can handle the basic resets and cleaning yourself, but leave complex harness repairs or module programming to the professionals. Costs vary wildly, but most simple fixes cost you nothing, while hardware replacements can run several $100s. If you're comfortable with a multimeter, check for power at the camera plug and scan for body-specific trouble codes to narrow it down. Keep a basic toolkit including a multimeter and contact cleaner on hand to handle these common electrical gremlins efficiently. Remember, take your time when tracing wiring, as rushing can lead to damaging delicate connectors in the liftgate. If these steps don't restore your view, a dealer visit is likely needed. Thanks for watching and stay safe.